Hi! We're playing Lost and Found today. So, Lost and Found. Let's blindfold one person.
Okay.
And lose this object somewhere in the room. So, let's say we blindfold Heather.
Okay, good.
And you'll tell her, you'll tell her where that object is, okay? So, let's rehearse quickly. Go left.
Go left.
Go right.
Go right.
Go straight.
Go straight.
Go back.
Go back.
Drop.
Drop.
Catch it.
Catch it.
There we go. Okay.
Okay.
You're ready. So, can you hold this? Heather.
Oh, no.
Aha!
I can't breathe.
You can't breathe. Too bad.
I can't see either.
Okay.
Well, that's good.
Okay. So first, Heather, you're right here.
Okay.
Let's just throw the object somewhere. Okay. Okay. Now Heather.
Yes.
Down. Whoa. Okay.
Okay. Heather, go straight forward.
Straight.
Continue straight forward. Straight.
Straight.
Straight. Straight.
Okay.
Go left.
Go left.
Straight.
Straight.
Stop. Go right.
Right.
Right. Drop.
Drop.
Catch. Catch.
Hey, you got it? Yes! Excellent. Good job. And now we change.
Okay.
Oh, great.
Thanks. Bye.